Alright, these are the really nice pond lights. As you can see, it puts out a lot of light. And the nice part is the heads of these are very adjustable, so you're able to just mount this directly into like the soil or into the wood frame or something, and then you're able to point the heads and adjust it however you want. Each of the lines are very long, so you're able to daisy chain these and create a very nice focal point. But look at the lights, look how cool that looks. So it does come with a remote, so you could like dim it or make it brighter. You could change it to red, green, blue, and then that's the white, the combination of all the colors combined. It also does really good representation of different other colors. As you can see, the blending is pretty cool because it creates kind of like a feather effect that I don't know, to me I find that very appealing. Then of course there's like flashing pattern modes. This one's just a nice cool fade in to different colors. Another fade in. And then flip back to flashing. For me, I think white produces a very nice, cool effect. As you can see, when you move it out and fade it, it looks very white. But when you're looking up closer, it has a really cool rainbow effect, which I really enjoy. Again, these are very high quality. They're easy to mount. The waterproof has a real nice glass protection.